Hello everybody, Smellsy back again. I'm back with the brand new retail break. I got 2 boxes of 2018 Topps Chrome Update Mega Boxes. Now I picked these up at Target for $19.99 each. Each box only comes with 28 cards. Looking at 7 packs of 4 cards each. It says look for autographs and superfractors, which is really cool. They put superfractors in retail here. Here's a quick odds if you want to take a look. This was kind of looking, looks like about 1 in 9 box might have an autograph, so pretty hard to hit autos, but well, maybe we'll get lucky. So let me open both these guys up and we'll see what we get. Hopefully at least get some nice color refractors. I think stuff's pretty hot because of the really good rookie class again. Alright, box 1, box 2. Alright, there's the packs. Let's get to it. I'll start with this box. Nice start. Albies rookie card right on top. Rookie Chrome. Great start. Molina. Yelich. And Torres rookie. Wow, great first pack. Pack 2. Munoz rookie. Oh, we got a Freddie Freeman International Affair. Pretty nice looking insert. Flannery rookie card. Oh, there's the first of Tony. Tony Pitchin rookie card. Awesome. Willie Adams rookie. Arenado. Andujar rookie. And rookie debut, Acuna Jr. Some really great base rookies to start off. No color refractors yet. Or refractors. Hosmer. Rookie debut, Kingery. International Affair, Makata, Cuba. And Santana. Acuna Jr. base rookie. Fowler rookie. Meadows. And Markakis. Alright, 2 more packs. We got Hicks rookie. 3rd International Affair, Ichiro. Japan. Kane. And Soto. Alright, last pack. Abreu. Bryce Harper. Kelly Jansen. And JD Martinez. Alright, pretty good first box. Let's check out box 2. Got all the good rookies I wanted. 3 inserts. Mookie Betts. Gary Sanchez, International Affair, Dominican Republic. Matt Harvey on the Reds, not anymore. Albies rookie card, Molina, Scooter Gennett, and Alex Bregman. Munoz rookie, Willie Adams rookie, International Affair, Correa, Puerto Rico, and Brandon Crawford. Arenado, Hosmer, Freddie Freeman, Longoria. Kingery, Aaron Judge, International Affair, United States, Sereno, Machado. Alright, 2 more packs. Let's see if we can get one nice card here at the end. Acuna Jr. again, Fowler, O'Neill, and Pote. Alright, last pack mojo. Jordan Hicks, Abreu, save that card, Rosario, International Fair Baez. Cool. Alright, so that's the break. So you get at least 3, you got 4 that time. With International Fair. No refractors, no autographs, but you get tons of good rookie chromes. So I'm pretty happy with what I bought. I think there's a good chance you get a really nice auto out of these, so I might pick up 1 or 2 more. Checklist was probably not that big, so it'll be interesting to see if these hold their value or not, just the plain rookies or not. But pretty good stuff. So that's it for this 2-box break of 2018 Topps Chrome Update Mega Boxes, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.